Hey coders, in this video we'll be learning together how to use HTML lists. So as you see, our goal is to have this website. You can tell that there are three types of lists. We have the unordered lists, the ordered lists, and the description list. From the names you can tell ordered lists are with numbers, unordered are with bullet points, and the description lists are a bit more special. So let's get started. We'll start basically by an empty HTML file having the head and the body tags. In the body we have the h2 heading. Inside it we have written an unordered HTML list. That's why we can see this heading on the screen. To use an unordered list in HTML, you start by writing the tag UL, which stands for unordered lists. Inside this list, you have list items. These list items have a tag too. This tag is LI, which stands for list item. Inside it, you can put something like coffee. Then you just copy paste this line. You can write something like water and protein shake. Now if we look at the screen, we'll see we have the coffee, water, and protein shake. As simple as that. Now let's discover the second type of lists, which is the ordered lists. So I will be just copying the same heading, which is an h2 heading, and it will be an ordered list. So we have an ordered HTML list. In this ordered HTML list, we need to change the tag of this list for sure. Instead of UL, we'll write OL, which stands for ordered list. Now inside these, usually we have another type of lists. Let's write something which make more sense. An example for that is wake up on 4 a.m. as the first list item with number 1. Then we have make your bed as the second list item and meditate. As simple as that. Now if we check here, you will see we have an ordered HTML list, and this ordered HTML list contains 3 list items numbered from 1 to 3. The last and final type of lists is the description list. Let me grab the same heading, description HTML list. We start writing our description list by the tag DL, which stands for description list. In every single description list, we have usually the DT, which defines a term in the description list. So in our case, a good term would be something like Monday training. Now this Monday training should have some description. So that's why we use the DD. And the DD describes this tag. In our case, we can describe the Monday training by legs workout. And if we check now, we'll see like Monday training is legs workout. Now just do the same for Tuesday training, and instead of legs workout, let's just go with chest and biceps workout. Now as you see, we have Monday training as a term, and the description for that term is legs workout. Tuesday training, chest and biceps workout. Let's make things interesting and go and make third data tag, and that would be a challenge on you if you can do it alone. So pause the video if you want to try. Take 5 minutes. Try to put an ordered list as a description for Wednesday training. Now let's solve it together. To do that, we start by writing OL, which is the tag of ordered lists. In this OL, we start by our first list item, which will be basically wake up on 4 a.m. So after waking up on 4 a.m., let's just say make your bed. And after making the bed, let's just go for a run. And here we go. Let's check now what we have. Now the description of this description tag is itself an ordered list, and you can for sure go further and just make an unordered list and write whatever in it. So let's say just like wake up without snoozing. That's one. And then the second thing would be like breathe deeply. Then if you check now, you basically have a nested, descriptive, ordered and unordered list in one code. So I hope this video brought you some value and you are with that a better coder. So coder, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'm giving you value. So give me value back by just clicking the like button, and see you in the next video.